Welcome to SkillSage Pathways. Have you ever wondered how your personality affects your ability to develop skills, learn, and reach your life goals? So, today, let's dive into the world of personality and skill development. Consider discipline, a trait that varies widely among us. On one end, high discipline levels can propel us through rigorous practice and structured learning, paving a solid path to skill acquisition. On the other, lower discipline levels might require creative strategies to stay engaged, turning the journey into an exploration of adaptability and motivation. Self-accountability is another game changer in skill development. It's the inner voice that celebrates your milestones or gently nudges you when you veer off track. Those who harness this trait don't just rely on external validation. They create their momentum, transforming every challenge into a step towards mastery. Now, what about curiosity? This trait opens doors to uncharted territories, making the acquisition of new skills an exciting adventure. Curious souls tend to have a diverse skill set, enabling them to connect disparate ideas and innovate. Next, resilience and our response to failure is another key element in this process. Seeing setbacks as growth opportunities rather than defeats is a powerful trait that ensures continual progress, refining both our skills and our approach to challenges. So, how do these 4 key traits affect our wider life goals? Like pieces of a puzzle, they shape our journey, influencing not just the skills we acquire, but how we apply them, how we overcome obstacles, and ultimately, how we reach our professional and life goals. But here's where it gets even more interesting. How can we leverage our unique personalities to supercharge our skill development? By understanding and embracing our personality, we can tailor our learning approaches to suit our strengths and work on our weaknesses. Whether it's setting up a structured routine for the discipline challenged or finding a passion project for the curious mind, personalizing your growth strategy is key. Your personality is not just a background trait. It's the engine of your skill development journey. Embrace it. Understand it, and let it guide you to not only achieve your goals, but redefine what's possible. So, are you ready to explore how your personality can amplify your skill mastery? Subscribe to SkillSage Pathways and join us on this journey of discovery and growth.